So today I can show you that how you can enter the lot serial numbers and also the expiration dates of product in the POS. So for that you have to go to the settings. In the inventory you have to navigate to the traceabilities. Here you have to enable these two options, lots and serial numbers and expiration dates. Then click on the save button. Then go to the products. Here I go to the lot product. Then in the lot product, I go to the general information. In here, you have to enable this track inventory by clicking this, and you have to select either by lots or by unique serial numbers. So currently, it doesn't let me to select unique serial number because I already select the by lots. Then you have to enable this valuation by lot or serial number. Okay, and in the inventory tab, you can select the expiration date from here by enabling this. You can see these fields from here and just enter the days of expiration days, best before days, removal date, and alert date from here. Then you can add the lot or serial number from this update quantity. So here this you have to enter your product, then your serial number or lot number from here, and you can also update your on hand quantity from here. So that's how you can add your lot or serial numbers. Now I just go to the point of sale to see that how you can enter lot. Find my product in search bar. So here you can see the lot number and you just have to add it. You can also edit from these three lines. If I click on this and select another lot, then just click on OK. Then you can see that I lot 2 from here. If I select this lot 1 from here, then you can see the lot number of 1. Then just validate it. So that's how you can add the lot or serial numbers. Thank you.